Hi, today let's make restaurant style coconut chutney. It's very simple to make. In a pan, you need to add in oil. Once the oil has been heated up, add in green chilies and add in peanuts. Now roast it really very well till the color of the peanuts changes and the green chilies turn slightly crispy. Now here I've taken peanuts where there are no skin. If you want, you can take the peanuts which there are skin as well, and then you can separate it around. Now take this mixture and keep it aside. Now to the blender, I've added in garlic, tamarind, here roasted gram, then goes in some salt to taste. You can check for the salt and later add it as well. Now I'm adding in grated coconut, then goes in the mixture of peanut and chilies. Next I'm adding in some cumin seeds. Add a little bit of water, blend it and keep it aside. Now let's make a tasty tempering or tadka. Add in oil. Once the oil has been heated up, I've added in mustard seeds and hing. I'm adding in dry red chilies. Now here I've added in chopped garlic. Don't forget to add this. Don't skip this. It gives a beautiful flavor to the chutney. We all wonder how this restaurant style chutney tastes so different. Trust me, this is the exact recipe. Next, I've added in curry leaves. Give it a good mix. Now, another tip is the curry leaves needs to turn crispy. When it turns crispy and you add it to the chutney, right, people don't tend to keep it aside. In fact, people tend to eat it extra. Now, I've added the tempering to the chutney. Now, you can check for the salt. Your tasty hotel style coconut chutney is ready to serve. You can serve it with dosa, idli, buns, any kind of your mains. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.